Daddy asked me to tell you a story. Some of you probably heard it before. It's a parable. And there was this bird that was flying high. And then the hunter shot at it. And the bullet hit the bird in one wing. So the bird fell to the ground. Didn't die, but couldn't fly anymore. Couldn't move much forward, couldn't move backwards, stagnant. Then one day the bird cried to God. He said, nobody can help me but you. And the Lord came down and touched the wing. And the wing was healed. And the bird soared into the air again, singing a song. It was the bird with one wing is flying again. The Lord asked me to tell you there's someone here tonight. It's difficult to move forward. It's difficult to go back. You are not sure where help will come from. Neither from right, nor from the left. And you were once flying before. The Lord asked me to tell you, the bird with one wing fly again.